Addition of decimals is very easy. It is just like the way we do for whole numbers, and the only difference is the decimal point. Here, the decimal point. That is the only difference. So what you're supposed to do is you need to make sure that when you are adding the decimal points are in a straight line. How? Like this. The first example here, 1.2 plus 2.3. You're going to arrange them just like the way you do for whole numbers. 1.2 add 2.3. But you need to make sure that the decimal points are in the same line. Okay? So when you add, it will be 2 plus 3 is 5. The decimal point is supposed to be here. 1 plus 2 is 3. And there you are. You have added the decimals. 1.2 plus 2.3. Our second example, which is 0.38 plus 0.7 plus 0.673, same thing. You need to make sure that the decimals are in a straight line. How? Like this. 0.38 add 0.7 add 0.673. Then add. Now 0.38, 0.7, 0.673. We have arranged the decimal points to be on a straight line. Likewise for the place values. Okay, so the first one is the tens. The tens are in a straight line. Then followed by the hundreds are in a straight line. Okay, only that 0.7 doesn't have any number here. So you can comfortably add a 0. It doesn't make any difference. You can put a 0. Now the thousands also are supposed to be in a straight line. Only that 0.38 does not have any number here. And 0.7 does not have any number here. So you can add a 0. 0 and 0. Okay, so now we have the place values. All of them are in a straight line. But first, the decimal points are most important in a straight line. Okay, now 0.38 is the same as 0.380. Again, 0.7 is the same as 0.700. Again, 0.673, we have not put any zeros, so it's just the same. So what we do now, we can add just like the way we do for whole numbers. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 plus 0 plus 7 is 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. Carry 1. And our decimal point is here. And our answer is 1.753. Now we'll do the last one. 3.14 add 0.2 add 10.0026 add 20. Now, one thing you're supposed to know is that if you have a whole number, okay, because now you'll say, when I'm adding decimals, I'm supposed to have the decimal points in a straight line. What if now I have a whole number? How am I going to do it? It doesn't have a decimal. Very easy. Any whole number, if you want it to have a decimal point, you just add to the right a decimal point. For example, 20, okay? 20 is the same as 20.0. 20 is the same as 20.0. 100 is the same as 100.0. No matter how many zeros you're going to add, this is the same as 20. Again, no matter how many zeros you're going to add here, this is the same as 100. Okay? So, if you have a whole number and you are adding decimals, all you need to do is just put a decimal point to the right. and you can put as many zeros as you want. It does not change anything. It will still be 100. Okay, so what we have here is a 20. Okay, and we are supposed to add it to 3.14, 0.2, and 10.0026. So let us do the question. 3.14, okay, add 0.2, add 10.0026, add 20.0. Okay, now 3.14, 0.2, 10.0026. This one goes up to tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. The rest are, the first one is having 2, so we can add 2 zeros. This one is having only 1 decimal place, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. And this one, we can add 1, 2, 3 zeros. So now we can easily add them. Okay, like we said, if you add the zeros, it does not change anything. It will be just the same. 3.14 is the same as 3.1400. The reason why we're filling it up with the zeros is to make it much easier for you to add. Okay, so we have 0 plus 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 6. Then we have 0 plus 0 plus 2 is plus 0 is 2. We have 4 plus 0 is 4. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Decimal point is here. Then 3 plus 0 is 3. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is our answer, 33.3426. One thing that we have learned is that when you are adding decimals, you need to make sure that the decimals are in a straight line. Likewise for the place values, the tens are supposed to be in a straight line. The hundreds, they're supposed to be in a straight line. The thousands are supposed to be in a straight line. And the 10,000s are supposed to be in a straight line. Because if you mix them up, if you take one which belongs to the hundreds, take it to the tens, thousands place, or the one which belongs to the thousands, bring it under the hundreds, you are going to get a different answer, which is going to be wrong. So you need to make sure that the decimals are in a straight line, the tens are in a straight line, the hundreds are in a straight line, the thousands are in a straight line, and the 10,000s are in a straight line. Meaning the place values, all of them, have to be in a straight line. Then, if you find that one of the decimals is having 2 decimal places, the other one 3 decimal places, another one 5 decimal places, you can fill up the decimals with zeros, okay, and it will just be the same. Why we're putting these zeros? So that it becomes much easier for you to add. Okay, so here we added 2 zeros, here we added 3 zeros, here we added 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Plus we have said that a whole number, just put a decimal point to the right and you can put as many zeros as you want and it does not change. This 20.0000 is just the same as 20. Okay, so you add just like the way we do for whole numbers and you will get the sums.